I need to send you to Goddard for a flight.
Let's go. Wait, woo, wait, woo. Hey, he's doing a traffic stop on me, guys.
No, sir, he was...
You guys want to give me your name and badge number? You tyrant motherfuckers. He's doing a traffic stop on me again. If I was you, I would leave me alone. You're no good, you're trash, and you're a tyrant.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. Today's video was submitted by Wolverine Transparency, who on June 11th of 2022 was live streaming in the city of Romulus, Michigan, listening to his police scanner and filming police interactions. A call was dispatched over the radio for a fight in progress, and upon hearing the call, he began driving to the scene of the incident.
603, 301, and 304, when you guys are in service, I need to send you to Goddard, just west of Inkster for a flight. Getting reports of about 9 people in a physical dispute up
West of Inkster. Let's go.
Yes, sir.
Goddard, just west of Inkster. Right down the street. Let's go. Wee woo, wee woo, wee woo, wee woo.
After locating the scene, he notices 2 marked units pulled over to the side of the road. Wolverine then parks his vehicle in a legal parking spot and gets out to fix his chair.
They're probably going to check me out.
Lincoln Park copies. That'll be rescue 4-1. We'll advise if any additional...
I need to put my chair up anyway.
Once the cruisers leave the scene, he begins to leave as well, but one of the officers initiates a traffic stop. The first officer approaches his passenger side window.
Edward John Paul 0432 4500.
I told you, look, he's going to want to get behind me. You ain't pulling. Oh, he thinks he's going to do a traffic stop on me.
4-1 copy.
You doing it? Hey, he's doing a traffic stop on me, guys.
No, sir, he was lying.
Hey, check it out. He just did a traffic stop on me.
5 seconds.
Here we
go, yeah. Look at it.
Rescue 4-1's on scene with PD.
Yeah, I'm going to check a message.
What's going on, sir?
What's happening?
We're getting calls about something. Were you over at a place? There's some heated dispute or something?
I don't answer questions, man.
What's that?
I don't answer questions.
You don't answer questions?
No.
All right.
Are you doing a traffic stop on me?
Yeah.
What?
Suspicion.
Okay. You want to articulate it, please?
Sorry, I'm having a hard time here. Can you roll down the window the rest of the way?
Can you articulate reasonable suspicion? No, sir. Can you articulate it, please?
Can you roll down the window the rest of the way?
No, sir. You can hear me.
I'm going to tell you to exit the vehicle if you don't roll down the window, sir.
Okay. Listen.
I see your little setup.
I'm live.
That's cool.
All right. And you need to give me reasonable, articulable suspicion of why.
Case law on that.
Huh?
What's the case law on that?
What do you mean, what the case law on that? Do I have to? Are you telling me that I don't have rights because I'm not going to give you a case law?
You not know the case law?
Yeah, I know the case law, but I don't have to tell you that.
You don't know what it is?
I don't have to tell you
I think
it.
it's probably because you don't know what it is.
Oh, really? How much you want to bet? How much? Here, I'll tell you what. I am inserting my Fifth Amendment right. Watch this.
Wolverine has asked for the reason for the stop, to which Officer Cardenas replies, reasonable suspicion.
Are you doing a traffic stop on me?
Yeah.
What?
Suspicion.
But when challenged to articulate what reasonable suspicion he has of a crime or traffic infraction, the officer repeatedly asks Wolverine to roll down his window instead, threatening to pull him out of the vehicle if he doesn't. A few things are important to remember here. First, there is no law that requires an officer to divulge what reasonable suspicion or probable cause they have. They should have to, but the sad reality is that they don't, but that should never stop you from asking. Second, there is no law that requires you to roll down your window all the way. However, as I've pointed out many times on the channel, and as is seen here, if you refuse to roll down your window all the way when they ask, an officer may force you to exit the vehicle. In the Supreme Court case of Pennsylvania v. Mims, the court held that a police officer ordering a person out of the car following a traffic stop and conducting a pat-down to check for weapons did not violate the Fourth Amendment to the United States Constitution. This ruling allows officers to retaliate against victims of a traffic stop by inconveniencing them, and if the order is refused, with arrest.
I'm going to tell you to exit the vehicle if you don't roll down the window, sir.
The big issue here is that the officer won't articulate why this traffic stop was initiated, and in order for Pennsylvania v. Mims to be worthwhile to the officer, the traffic stop must be lawful, with a legal standard of proof to legitimize the detention. So far, none has been offered. Finally, the officer's authority to initiate a traffic stop in Michigan is not based on case law. The regulation of streets and highways is under jurisdiction of local authority and within reasonable exercise of police power, specifically Section 257.606 of the Michigan Vehicle Code, Act 300 of 1949, but we wouldn't expect law enforcers to understand the laws they enforce.
Okay, you have a driver's license, sir? Sir, I need your driver's license. Sir, I need your driver's license. Sir, if you don't give me your driver's license, I'm gonna have to take you out of the vehicle.
Why would you? Are you wanting to inflict force on me?
Sir,
Are you trying to use force on me? You were called for a bar fight down there, and I have my scanner on, and I'm a cop watcher, and you're trying to inflict violence on me.
Let me explain myself. They gave your license plate as part of the people involved.
How much you want to bet that they didn't do that?
They absolutely did.
I got it on record right now.
Okay, 1 second. You want to listen real quick?
I don't give a damn.
Okay, 1 sec. Hold on, I got you. 1 sec. Hold on, let's put our listening ears on.
License plate provided by Taylor PG was 9745 King 4.
Go ahead, sir.
King 4.
Oh, hold on.
414, got it.
Sounded like this was just a onlooker.
Can you try to contact the Allen Park for mutually?
Okay. So did you report the fight?
Nope.
No?
Not involved in the altercation.
421.
Do we understand each other now?
The officer calls in to dispatch to have them read off the license plate involved in the incident that they were looking for. In effect, the officer administered one of the best self-owns we've seen in a long time. Wolverine's license plate was not read back to the officer, and he didn't report the incident either.
I don't have to do anything. I can take off if I want to because I didn't do anything. I didn't break no laws. Listen, reasonable, articulable suspicion that I committed a crime. I need you to articulate that right now, or I'm going to put a freaking complaint on you. You are in color of law. You're violating my Fourth Amendment right now.
Yeah.
You understand that?
1 sec. Just stay right here, okay? Thank you, sir.
See, this is what makes them tyrannical, guys. They think that I owe them something. They think that I am. They think that they have the right to do anything they want or make themselves YouTube famous or anything of the sorting. They think they could do that.
You're all set. Yeah, thank you, sir. Take care. Thank you for complying.
Hey, I need your badge number, sir.
Don't worry about it.
No, that's not how that rolls. That's not how that rolls. No, sir. That's not how that rolls. I'm putting a Fourth Amendment violation on you. I have a paralegal degree. You know what? You're not getting away with that. You're not getting away with that. Hey, you guys want to give me your name and badge number? You tyrant motherfuckers! Tyrants! Now see, that's why we have to cuss them out. Hey, if you're a pastor, if you're a Jesus name loving person, I didn't commit no crime, and you think that I deserve my Fourth Amendment right violated? Do you honestly think that that's right?
Realizing they had completely screwed up, the officers jump back in their vehicles and run away as fast as possible, refusing to identify themselves and abandoning the fight scene that they were originally called out for. Wolverine stayed on scene and recorded the fight with the cops nowhere to be found, and about 20 minutes later, Wolverine had ended his live stream and was headed to the police station to file a complaint and noticed a marked unit going back to the original scene. Wolverine pulled into a driveway, backed out to turn around, and began his video as he pulled back onto the road behind the officer. Wolverine alleges that gravel in the roadway caused his tires to slip as he accelerated, but it is not caught on video. The officer uses this as a reason to initiate a second traffic stop.
Now he's gonna get behind me. Watch this. See, now he's gonna try to do a traffic stop on me. He's doing a traffic stop on me again. You see that? There's rocks on the roadway. Rocks on the roadway. If I was you, I would leave me alone. If I was you, I would leave me alone. If I was you, I would leave me alone. You know the rocks that are on the freaking street? It causes your tires to spin when you take a left.
I stopped you for careless driving. If you want to fight it in court, you can. But
okay. So you did it live on YouTube. And you did it live on YouTube.
Because you stopped right there in the road.
No, I didn't. There's got to be somebody behind me for me to impede, sir. See, you're being a tyrannical tyrant right now. Look at me. I got 4th-degree burns all over me. I'm not a threat to you, and you're acting like a complete moron.
You knew I stopped you for careless driving.
No, I didn't. I took a left. I took a left.
So I told you why I stopped you.
No, I'm watching you because you're a tyrant. You're a tyrant. You're no good. You're trash, and you're a tyrant. You continued. Hey, y'all, call the police department. Get their lieutenant involved. I know your lieutenant, and trust me, when they know who I am, they're gonna watch me because I watched you pull up. I watched you try to violate my rights and put freaking violence on me. Do you know the state of Washington right now? The state of Washington right now. The state of Washington right now told us.
I need your driver's license, sir.
For what?
For careless driving.
I didn't careless drive.
Infractions.
I didn't careless drive. Hey, can I get your name and badge number?
Absolutely, 71.
What's your name and badge number?
8. I need your.
What's your name?
Sir, I need your driver's license.
What's your name? Do I pose a threat to you?
I need a driver's license, sir.
Why?
I need your driver's license. You
Why?
committed a moving violation. You messed up.
I didn't commit a moving violation.
Sir.
There's rocks on there.
Nope.
I took a left. Yeah, there is. Yeah, there is. It's on video.
Sir, I need your driver's license.
For what? For what?
You committed a moving violation.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
All right, get me a supervisor. Get me a supervisor. I'll give you my driver's license.
Sir, I need your driver's license.
I'm not going nowhere. I'm turning the vehicle off. I want your supervisor right now. I want your supervisor right now.
Can you run the plate and see if this is his, and then I'll just mail him the ticket? Okay. We'll get your ticket in the mail, sir, for careless driving. Also, you'll get a summons for interfering with PO.
That is color of law, y'all. That's color of law.
The officer leaves, threatening to send Wolverine a ticket in the mail for careless driving and interfering with a law enforcement officer, though the only one whose driving appeared to be unsafe in the video was Officer Cardenas. Wolverine has yet to receive his tickets, but intends to file complaints with the department and pursue lawsuits under 18 U.S. Code 241 and 242. In all fairness, the first traffic stop appeared to be a mistake, but after being told that Wolverine was filming them, it starts to look like the second stop was retaliation for his cop watching, and being made to look stupid after accusing Wolverine of being involved with the fight. In the end, it has the feel of a young, inexperienced cop, using his authority to enforce his ego, rather than any applicable law or to keep the peace. Let me know what you think down below, and if you head over to Wolverine Transparency's channel, be sure to let him know that I sent you. As always, thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like to submit for review, use the link in the description or pinned comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for future content, and remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. It really helps the channel. If you enjoy our content, try our other channels, LackLuster Limited for criminal psychology content, and The Odd Side for paranormal videos. Shirts and other merchandise are available at the Teespring store. Memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to help further support the channel and get a slick Lack logo next to your name. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. All links are down below.